Imagine placing an order in an online store and getting your package in just minutes. This is the future of e-commerce. Through the use of drones, customers will be able to get their orders very quickly. Some cities across the world have already gotten a taste of what commercial drone deliveries will look like. Wing, which is operated by Google's parent company Alphabet, has completed over 100,000 drone deliveries in Logan, Australia. Its pilot program has been a massive success, delivering everything from coffee, food, medicine, and supplies. But down in Canberra, things don't look so promising. Local authorities found territorial ravens swooping down and attacking drones, forcing the home delivery service to temporarily shut down in the suburb. So when does drone delivery make sense? First of all, let's talk about the packages drones can actually deliver. Today, most commercial drones can carry up to 6 pounds. This places a hard limit on the volume and type of packages that can be delivered using a drone. For instance, most of Wing's deliveries during its test run have been food and medicine. It might be some time before you can get a new TV delivered to your doorstep in just 30 minutes. If drones are this limited in the kinds of packages they can deliver, surely they can perform deliveries across further distances than traditional shipping methods, right? Well, not exactly. Typically, drones are able to fly 10 miles or more, with long-range drones operating up to 7.5 miles away from their controller. This figure may be fine for the typical kinds of applications drones see today, but it is incredibly limiting for deliveries. Any businesses hoping to adopt a drone-based delivery model would find themselves limited to an area spanning roughly 5 miles. While this is fine for restaurants, pharmacies may find this new mode of delivery not that helpful outside of the suburbs. Highly urbanized areas are also less than ideal. Drones require open areas without overhanging trees, power lines, or other obstacles to land and take off safely, such as yards or driveways. In big cities, they can be very hard to come by. With these current limitations, the most likely widespread adoption for drones could be in the last mile delivery, or the last stage of shipping from a warehouse to the customer's home. This is still good news. By combining traditional modes of shipping with drones, shipping costs can be greatly reduced from $6 for typical ground delivery services down to just 0.05 cents per mile. Perhaps in the future we'll see drones fly further distances and be powered by AI, eliminating the issue of range entirely. This may be sooner than we think, too. AI-powered drones have been in development over the past few years. But is it even safe to entrust your packages to a drone? In a survey by Clutch, 39% of respondents were concerned about the security of drone delivery services. 20% were concerned about potential damage to their packages, and 19% were concerned about their packages being stolen by hackers. These concerns may not be too far-fetched either. In contrast to Wing's success in test markets, Amazon, a company with infinitely more funding and resources, has seen progress for its own drone delivery service stagnating, despite having clearance for extensive testing in the UK since 2016. Amazon Air has yet to roll out a single drone. Aside from cases of gross mismanagement, the program has faced many difficulties in training its drones, even with the help of machine learning. After years of research and development, Amazon still has not trained its drones to do basic tasks, such as distinguishing a lawn from a swimming pool or a dog from a person. This makes it close to impossible for Amazon's drones to carry out their deliveries without direct human control, as it had originally planned. In spite of these hurdles, the outlook is looking good for drone delivery's place in society. Maybe it won't turn e-commerce transactions into near-instant exchanges anytime soon, but it could offer novel ways to tackle novel problems. In August 2021, UPS began an initiative to remotely deliver COVID-19 vaccines in Salem, North Carolina, from Atrium Health's main facility to its subsidized medical facilities. In an era where contact-free solutions are incredibly crucial, it's only fitting that drones are being used to transport vaccines. China has also taken initiative in adopting the use of drones to deliver emergency medical supplies to areas with poor road conditions. There's also another benefit looming over the horizon in a world where drones deliver most of the goods we purchase online: a steep decrease in carbon emissions in our cities. The question then isn't if drone delivery will become a part of everyday life, but when.